Many people don't realize how easy it is to get your image onto a piece of photo metal. In order to get your image onto a photo metal panel, here's what you need. An Epson F170 dye sublimation printer loaded with multi-use transfer paper, heat transfer tape, a pair of scissors, a heat pad, a high-definition photo metal panel, a small heat press like this, but there's also many more sizes, and a pair of heat gloves. Once you have the finished design for your photo metal, this is how to send it to the F170 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Choose Properties. Choose your paper type. For a photo metal panel, choose Rigid. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Choose Printer. Choose Print Settings. Choose your media type. For photo metal, choose Rigid. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. To prepare our photo metal, first we need to peel away the plastic layer. Once you've done that, flip it over, place it on top of your print. Then grab a few pieces of heat transfer tape, apply the print in place, and now we're ready to press it. Before we press our item, you may want to protect your table surface. To do so, grab a piece of scrap wood or a piece of cardboard, then place a piece of craft paper on top of that. Now grab your photo metal panel, set it in place, grab your heat press, place it down, and begin the timer. We are pressing at 400 degrees for 90 seconds, and when the timer is done, it will alert us. Be sure to lift the heat press up slowly when you're done. Be sure to put on heat gloves, as the photo panel will be very hot. Once you've done that, simply peel the paper away, and you're done.